Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show how to simplify this math problem. Calculator not allowed. 16 to the power 5 minus 16 to the power 4 is equal to what? Is equal to 16 to the power, this 5 can be written as 4 plus 1 minus 16 to the power 4 is equal to, now we know an exponential formula, a to the power m plus n is equal to a to the power m times a to the power n. Now apply this formula. Here we can write 16 to the power 4 times 16 to the power 1, that means 16, minus 16 to the power 4 is equal to, now taking count 16 to the power 4, here we will get 16 minus here we will get 1 is equal to 16 to the power 4 times 16 minus 1 is 15 is equal to, now this 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4 because 2 to the power 4 are same as 16 whole to the power this 4 times this 15 is equal to, again we know another exponential formula, a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m n. Now apply this formula. Here we will get 2 to the power 4 times 4 is 16 times this 15 is equal to 2 to the power, now this 16 can be written as 10 plus 6 times 15 is equal to, now we can write here 2 to the power 10 times 2 to the power 6 times 15 is equal to, we know that 2 to the power 10 is 1024 times 2 to the power 6 is 64 times this 15 is equal to 1024 times 64 times this 15 can be written as 10 plus 5 is equal to 1024 times 64 times 1 is 64 with 1 0 plus 64 times 5 is 320 is equal to 1024 times, now adding these two numbers we will get 960 is equal to 1024 times this 960 can be written as 1000 minus 40 is equal to, now here 1024 times 1000 we will get 1024 with 3 zeros minus 1024 times 40, here we will get 40960 is equal to, now here we will get 0 4 1 is go 0 3 8 9 and it is our final answer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.